Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Rayhong Spray Coating Agent. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a 3-in-1 ceramic car coating spray for high protection, quick car coating. And basically, it prevents the rain or scratches from your car. So for example, if you don't have any coating on your windshield, the water can mix with the dust and it will be very hard for it to be removed. So you will need a ceramic coating to prevent that, and that is basically what this is, a ceramic coating. And it also basically prevents scratches, small scratches from your car. So as you can see, they claim to have multifunctional coating renewal agent, waterless wash, nanotechnology, premium car paint restorer, and multiple uses. So as you can see, they're rated 2.8 out of 5 stars for 186 ratings. So let's head on over down here to see the reviews. So as you can see, it does not work. Satisfaccio, trash, small, works. Bottles are tiny, it didn't work, doesn't work, very deceiving, normal. So the reviews are very hit or miss. Most of the reviews are 1 star. So I advise you to use other sprays and not this one, since it seems like it doesn't work. If you want to go ahead and do a ceramic coating on your car, I advise you to use other ones and not this product specifically, since the reviews are very sketchy. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.